dear students, wish you a very good day. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Welcome you all at our today's lesson. Today we are going to work on English for Today, Class 5, Unit 3, Lessons 3 to 4. Page number is 11, Shoikat's Family. Let's review our previous lesson. Can you remember what does Shoikat do in his free time? Yes, you are right. Shoikat reads English books and also watches cartoons on TV. Okay, now can you say what do his parents do in their free time? Yes, his father writes stories and his mother enjoys swimming in their free time. Okay, dear students, so we have learned about Shoikat's family. Today we'll learn about their different activities in different time. Let's go. Everyone, open your English book at page 11. And we are going to do activity D. Have you seen that? Yes. So, what is the instruction? Read and say. Here is a table. So, we have to read that and then we have to say about the information, right? So, let's know details about the table. In this table, we have found 6 columns and 3 rows. In the first row, we have found Shoikat. In the second row, we have found mother, Shoikat's mother. In third row, we have found father, Shoikat's father. And then, in the second column, the time is 6 p.m. In this time, what does Shoikat do? What does his mother do? What does his father do? So, let's see about their activities. We have seen at 6 p.m. Shoikat studies. At 6 p.m. his mother cooks. At 6 p.m. his father reads. Can you understand that? Okay, let's do more. I think you can understand easily. At 8 p.m., Shoikat watches TV. At 8 p.m., his mother swims. At 8 p.m., his father watches TV. At 9 p.m., Shoikat eats dinner. His mother eats dinner. His father eats dinner. At 10 p.m., Shoikat helps mom. At 10 p.m., his mother washes dishes. At 10 p.m., his father helps his wife. Okay, dear students, now we are going to know what do they do at 11 p.m. At 11 p.m., Shoikat goes to bed. At 11 p.m., Shoikat's mother watches TV. At 11 p.m., Shoikat's father writes. Dear students, now we will see what do they do at a glance. That means we will make sentences from the table. Okay? So, first Shoikat's activities, right? Generally, from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m., Shoikat studies, watches TV, eats dinner, helps mom in cleaning, and finally goes to the bed. Dear students, now it's your turn. Now you have to write down the activities of his mother and father from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. And the structure is this one. Generally from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Shoikat's mother, and similarly you will make sentences about his father activities this way. Generally from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. Shoikat's father. Okay, I think you need help. 11 p.m. Shoikat's mother cooks, sweeps, eats dinner, washes dishes, and watches TV. So, what's the sentence for his father? Yes. Generally, from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m., Shoikat's father reads, watches TV, eats dinner, helps his wife, and writes. Okay, dear students, we have learned how we can make sentences from a table. Now, let's do more activities with this table. Dear students, let's do the activity E. What's the instruction here? Pair work. Ask and answer the questions about the table in activity D. তার মানে activity D এর টেবিল থেকে কিছু প্রশ্ন এখানে দেওয়া আছে, আমাদেরকে সেই প্রশ্নগুলো করতে হবে এবং উত্তর দিতে হবে এবং এই কাজটি জোড়া সম্পন্ন করতে হবে. If you have your brother or sister or any family member, that time you can take help from them. Okay? Let's see how we can do this activity. For example, here have 3 questions. What does Shoikat do at 6 o'clock? What does Shoikat do at 6 o'clock? এই টেবিল থেকে খুঁজে বের করতে হবে 6 o'clock এ সৈকত কি করে? Then the second question, who sews at 8 o'clock? Who sews at 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock এ কে সেলাই করে? এই টেবিল থেকে সেটা খুঁজে বের করতে হবে. Then the third question, when does Shoikat's father read? When does Shoikat's father read? কখন সৈকতের বাবা পড়েন? সেই উত্তরটি আমরা কোথা থেকে নেব? হ্যাঁ বন্ধুরা, আমরা অ্যাক্টিভিটি ডি এর এই টেবিলটি থেকে নেব. তো বন্ধুরা, আশা করি তোমরা টেবিলটি থেকে উত্তরগুলো খুঁজে নিতে পারবে. এর জন্য তোমাদের সময় দেওয়া হলো 2 minutes. your time is over. Who have written these answers, for them a big clap. But who can't, for them let's help. What does সৈকত do at 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock এ সৈকত কি করে? আমরা দেখেছি 6 p.m. এর নিচে লেখা study, তার মানে he studies. He studies, right? Okay. Who sews at 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock এ কে সেলাই করে? And we have seen at 8 p.m. Shoykat's mother sews. So the answer is Shoykat's mother. Then when does Shoykat's father read? সৈকতের বাবা কখন পড়েন? তাহলে আমরা যদি টেবিলটি ভালো করে চেক করি, রিড যে কলামে আছে সেখানে উপরে আমরা দেখতে পাবো সময়টি at 6 o'clock. Dear students, let's check your answers. What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? He studies at 6 o'clock. Who sews at 8 o'clock? Shoykat's mother sews at 8 o'clock. When does Shoykat's father read? Shoykat's father reads at 6 o'clock. I think you have done this work very good. Okay, thank you so much. Let's go. So dear students, what have we learned today? Yes, we have learned today Shoykat's and his parents' free time activities. We have also learned how we can make sentence from a table. Now it's your turn to do homework. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, এই টেবিলটিতে দুটো কলাম আছে। প্রথম কলামটিতে সময় উল্লেখ করা আছে এবং দ্বিতীয় কলামটিতে কাজ উল্লেখ করা আছে। তোমাকে যেটি করতে হবে সেটি হলো যেই কাজটি যেই সময়ের পাশে আছে সেই সময়টি নিয়ে তোমাকে একটি বাক্য তৈরি করতে হবে। Okay, for example, in first row we have seen 6 p.m. and study. তো তুমি যদি তোমাকে নিয়ে একটি সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করো তাহলে কি হতে পারে? I studies at 6 p.m. I study at 6 p.m. ওকে, তুমি যদি অন্য কাউকে নিয়ে বাক্যটি তৈরি করো তাহলে কি লিখতে পারো? He studies at 6 p.m. ওকে শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তাহলে কি হতে পারে পরের সারির শব্দগুলো নিয়ে? হ্যাঁ, এখানে সময় আছে 8 p.m. এবং কাজ আছে ওয়াচ টিভি। তাহলে কি লিখতে পারি? তুমি লিখতে পারো I watch TV at 8 p.m. I watch TV at 8 p.m. তুমি যদি তোমার কোনো বোনের কথা লিখো তাহলে কি লিখতে পারো? She watches TV at 8 p.m. She watches TV at 8 p.m. Okay, dear students, in third row, what we have found here? 9 p.m. and eat dinner. If you say, I eat dinner at 9 p.m. I eat dinner at 9 p.m. Or you can say for the other person, he eats dinner at 9 p.m. He eats dinner at 9 p.m. Then, same way, I help mom at 10 p.m. I help mom at 10 p.m. He helps mom at 10 p.m. She helps mom at 10 p.m. You help mom at 10 p.m. And this way we can write more sentences. Now, what about the last one? Here is 11 p.m. and go to bed. I go to bed at 11 p.m. He goes to bed at 11 p.m. She goes to bed at 11 p.m. You go to bed at 11 p.m. Okay? I think you can write more sentences from this table. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Goodbye.